What's going on, everyone? It's Kevin from Pools Incorporated, your licensed swimming pool contractor. Today we're going to switch things up a little bit. We're here in Palm Springs at the Fiesta Market and Liquor. There's a taqueria inside and they've got some really good food, and today we're doing a food review. I picked up nothing on the menu, just 6 breakfast tacos is what I got right here on the tailgate. Doing it right. We got Ramon, or what is that? Is that Ramon? Vistachino is right behind us. Vistachino and Gianotri. So this is a popular spot, popular location. You see. There we go. Bear with me here, guys. All right, here we are. Let's show them the goods. Check that out, man. Ooh, boy, I don't see any fucking eggs on there. They're not breakfast tacos, but whatever, dude. I guess they didn't hear me or something, you know? Should go in there. Where's my fucking eggs, motherfuckers? Put some salsa on this shit. I gotta do the best I can. Salsa. Oh yeah. $20, $19 and like 40 cents for 6 tacos. Let's see what this is all about. Get one out. Got a taco out right here. Let me see. Yeah. That's fire. Oh, chili. Oh, man. A little lime on here. Hold on. Let me see what that's about. Not much juice coming out of the lime. They're a little dry, but I got something on there. Oh, man. That's fucking hitting, boy. That's busting. Got these little things right here. See if I get down low. There we go. I need a camera thing, dude. My bookkeeper got me one and I lost it. Let's see. Let me hit that. No, I'm going back up here, guys. I'm sorry. You gotta bear with me, man. I'm a beginner YouTuber. Got the pool pole right there. Look at that. Nice. The meat is very tender. It's flavorful, but not over flavored. Just a nice seasoning on there. Nice little coat of seasoning. Salsa is really fresh. Homemade tortillas, homemade, really fresh. You got the onion. Gotta get a little bit of everything, you know, some onion, jalapeno, taco. If you're in the Palm Springs area, Gianotri, Vistachino, right on the corner. Come check out this spot. Fiesta Meat Market and Liquor with the taco. There's a restaurant inside. I got like 10, 12 pools to do today. I got some filters to install. It's gonna be a long day. It's Friday. And you know, we're just taking it slow. All right, that was a green salsa. Now we're gonna dip into this red. Looks a little hotter. I'm more of a green salsa guy. But we got 3 tacos left on the plate. And we're gonna do it up, baby. Let me get this right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just kind of spread it all out between the three. It's heavy, you know. Don't get cheap on me now. You know. Remember Vegas Vacation? Fucking Eddie Griswold. He's like, yeah, I'll take some of the yellow. He's at the buffet, and he's like, and don't get cheap on me. One thing I can't stand is fucking people that are cheap, extreme cheapskates. Nah. Check out my new drip, Superior. Representing the red, the white, and the blue. All right, guys, here we go. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try to get a better view over here. Oh, look, we got some onion on there. We got the salsa on there. It's looking fire, baby. Oh, wow. Woo! God damn. Forgive me. I used to be really poor. So when I eat, I just get after it, baby. It's good. No shame in my game. Man, this meat. Extremely tender. Very flavorful. $20. And a plate full of tacos that you can't even finish. This is gonna hold me over all day. I'm not gonna have to eat all day. I could work a solid six-hour shift, non-stop. I'll eat when I get home. Here we go. They do the double tortilla, you know? So if you wanted to double up, you can double up. You can make a hella tacos, gang of tacos. Feel me? Feel me, gang? Hey, gang. Hey, gang, come check out this spot. Shit slaps, straight slaps. Woo! That's fucking good! Yeah! Last one, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really full. I ain't trying to have this in my truck. I ain't gonna eat it later. So I'm just gonna force it down. And that's gonna be the end of this review. They've got all kinds of stuff in here. Seafood. I mean, all the shit that all the Mexican restaurants have, these fuckers got it, dude. But it's always the same people. It's kind of like a family operation. The people that own the building and the liquor store rent to the people inside, you know, to the restaurant. They rent, like, they share a space and they share rent. And so it's just a good spot to come and get some food and drinks. A lot of gardeners and pool guys and roofers and electricians, and it's all service industry out here in the Coachella Valley. So, all right, here we go, guys. Look at that. We killed it, boys. We killed it, dude. We killed it, and that's not surprised. I'm not surprised. Last time I got 4 tacos. This time I told them 6. You know, the salsas really switch up the vibe. They're half green, half red. It was a whole different ballgame, man. I mean, I'm sweating fucking balls out here, man. It's supposed to be like 110 today. I'm fucking dripping, dude. Oh. Nothing like some tailgate tacos, baby. Beautiful view of the, what is that, San Jacinto Mountains. On a good day, You can see the tram, the Palm Springs tram. All right. Oh my God. I'm sweating. I don't know if you see it. Woo! I'm sweating. And that's it, baby. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, hit the bell notification, and comment down below, man. Let me know if you guys eaten here, if you had other food, if there's something else I should try. You know, just let me know your thoughts, dude. Or if you just want to say hi, you know. My name is Kevin. I'm the owner of Pools Incorporated. I'm a licensed swimming pool contractor, and this is the daily life of a licensed swimming pool contractor, eating on my tailgate before I go to work. That's it, baby. You guys have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one.